Hello students, in this video we will learn simultaneous equation by using the graphical method. Okay students, so I'm solving exercise 2b, question 2c, right, from book 2. So we have two equations here in question 2c. The first one is this one, okay, and the second one is this, right? So first of all, we are solving the first equation. So this is my first equation here. So we need to find out first of all, you need to arrange it, okay? So how are you going to arrange this? 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 13 will shift on the other side, so it becomes positive 13, right? Now students, you need to find out the x and y values, right? You need to coordinates to plot in the graph. So how to find out the x and y values? It is very important to focus on the integers part, the rules of signs, the rules of like divide change into multiply plus change into minus. So first of all, I'm making the chart of the first equation. I need three values, right? X and y. Let's take x as a 0. Okay, if we will take, let's check. Okay, and here we need the answer not in the decimal form. We need answer as a whole number. If I'll take 0 here, so the first here, the first the first part, it's becomes 0, right? And 2 and y, the 2 and y, they both are multiplying. When 2 is shift to the other side, it is change into divide. So the answer gives us in decimal. So now what we need to do, we are not going to take 0. So you need to choose that number that it gives you the answer as a whole number, right? So I'm not taking 0 here. Okay, let's check. If you will take 1, right? So 3, let's check if you are taking 1 here. So 3 bracket 1 minus 2y is equals to 13. So you need an even number in the result. Why even number in the result? Because here along with the y we have an even number, right? So the even number is going to be divide whatever your result is there, right? So here I'm taking 3. So 3 ones are 3, right? Minus 2y is equals to 13. Minus 2y, I need my left hand side. So 13, it was 3, right? It is 3. So it becomes minus 3. It's positive 3. Now it becomes minus 3 because we are shift from left to right. Now minus 2y, 13 minus 3 gives you 10. So minus 2 here, then multiplying to the other side, it is shifted as a division, right? So y value is minus 5. 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10, right? So minus comes because you shift minus 2 from left to right side. So the answer is minus 5. When you took 1 here, x as a 1. So when x as a 1, the y value is minus 5. Okay, we have found the first value. Now the second value. Okay, second value, let's take minus 1. Okay, if you will take minus 1, so it gives you instead of minus 3 here, it gives you plus 3 and answer is 16. Okay, now I'm taking minus 1. The answer will be not in the decimal, answer will be whole number, right? So let's solve. 3x minus 2y is equals to 13. So now this time x value I am taking minus 1. Minus 2y is equals to 13. Minus 3 minus 2y is equals to 13 here. So minus 2y will remain to your left hand side. 13 minus 3, this is minus 3. When shift to the other side, it becomes plus. Sorry, plus 3. So it gives you 16 divided by minus 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, right? So the y value is negative 8. So I'm writing here negative 8. Now the third value, 3x minus 2y is equals to 13. Now this time check it with 2. Okay, if I will take 2, so 2, this 2 with 3 gives you 6 and 13 minus 6 gives you 7. So don't take an even number, take an odd number, right? So I'm taking, instead of 2, I'm taking 3, right? Okay, let's check with 3. So minus 2y is equals to 13. Y is equals to, and the answer is 9, right? So 3 into 3 is 9. So 13 minus 9, 4, right? And here is 2. So y is equals to 4 and divided by minus 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So y is equals to minus 2. Here we have found y is equals to minus 2 when I took 3 here. Okay. So that you have noticed this, that when it's an odd number here, see, this is an odd number result. The result is odd number here, 13. So I am taking the odd x, right? Okay. And the second most important part, the y has an even number. Okay, so you need to make your result even number, like from odd to even number you need to make it. The reason is that because the multiples of, you need a multiples of 2 here. Okay, students. So here when I took 3, the result of y is, your output is minus 2. Okay, now let's solve the second equation. What is the second equation, student? The second equation of this exercise 2b, question number 2c, is 3x plus 2y. Now the second equation, okay, equation 2. The equation 2 is 2x plus 2y, right? Right? Yes, 2x plus 2y equals to 0, right? So now make a chart here. Now you need 3 values. It's very easy, students. Okay, you need to play with numbers, right? And then numbers like between 1 till 10, right? Positive and negative. If you are choosing x value in positive, try to choose the negative value as well. And again, I'm repeating myself, like focus on integers, focus on the rules of sign, right? That is very, very important. Now, here, look, if I take 0, okay, so here the result is 0. So this question is not giving you any trouble here, okay. So if I take x as a 0, so 2 0, x replaced as a 0 plus 2y equals to 0. So 2 and 0, answer 2 zeros are of course 0 here, right? Plus 2y equals to 0. So now y is equals to 0 over 2 because this is dividing, right? 2y is dividing. So y is equals to 0. So we got the answer 0. When x is 0, y is also 0. Now let's do with the second value of x, right? I'm taking the second equation again. I'm writing the second equation again. Now, x I'm taking 2, right? So 2y is equals to 0. Here, this is plus 4, right? This is plus 4 right now. So when you shift from left to right, it becomes minus 4, right? So y is equals to 0 minus 4 gives you minus 4 and divided by 2. I got this 2 from here, right? It was multiplying over there, right? So 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So it gives you y is equals to minus 2. Okay, when x is 2, your output, I mean your y is a negative 2. Okay, now, now this time I'm taking x value minus 2. Okay, let's check with the minus 2, you will get the whole number. Yes, this is 0, right? Not 6. Okay, this is minus 4 plus, okay, plus 2y, 0. This one is minus, right? Because 2 times negative gives you negative 4. Okay, so be careful. Minus 4, shift over there, it becomes plus 4. So y is equals to 4 divided by 2. So y is equals to 2. So when I took minus 2, your y value is 2. Okay, now we have found all the coordinates of x and y of equation 1 and equation 2. Now let's plot these coordinates on a graph. Okay, okay. Now let's check the largest value. The x is here. It's like 2 in sorry, x here. It's negative. I mean 2. This is 2 here. It's negative 2. Let me check. For this first box here, the largest value is the negative y here. Okay, so minus 5 and minus 8. Okay, so 1 centimeter to 1 unit, right? Okay, let's see. Now this one is, so I'm taking uh 2 boxes. Okay, like 2 centimeter. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this is your positive x. This one is negative x. That is positive y. And your bottom numbers are negative. Sorry, negative, negative, negative y. Okay. So I'm taking like 2 centimeter to 1 unit. This is minus 1. Very important for this scale. Okay, be careful about the scale. 4 minus 5. Okay, here just extend it. 4 and then 5. Okay. Now I am the y-axis. I need 8, right? So I need 8 here. I mean I need negative 8. So I'm taking 1 centimeter. Okay. So let me take another color. -1, -2, -3, -4, 5, -6, -7, -8. Same goes in the positive y side because see, I took 1 centimeter to 1 unit in the negative y. The same goes with the positive y. You can't take like 2 centimeter in the positive y side and 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter positive side and 1 centimeter, and no. Both the positive and negative, it should be same scale. Otherwise, it gives you a trouble. You will not get a linear line, right? So, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let me check the first values. Okay, x here, it's x is 1, okay, and 1 minus 5 here, okay. So, one minute. Okay, so I'm talking about this one here, right? I need these values to be plotted on my graph. Okay, first is 1 minus 5, x is 1. Okay, so x is 1, positive side. 1 is this one. Okay, can you see this one? Here, let me take the highlighter color. Okay, 1. Okay, now it says minus 5. So minus 5, go down here. This is my minus 5. Okay, this one. Can you see this light blue color? Okay, I'm writing here. I'm not writing the coordinate, but you need to write down the coordinate. So I'm writing here A. Okay. Now the second one was -1 and -8. -1 and -8. Okay, -8 is this one. Okay. And I'm writing here B. Okay. Now the third one is 3 and -2. 3, positive side is 3 and -2. Okay, go down. This is -2 and I'm writing C here. Okay, now join it, right? And it should be a linear line. Okay, so hopefully, yes, right? Yes, so just write down here equation 1. Now, equation 2. Equation 2, the values are x is 0 and y is 0. Okay, let plot these values. Okay, I'm taking the color, taking pink here. Okay, now equation 2, the first value x is 0 and y is also 0, the center part. So, okay, I'm writing here A, right? Now, the second one is x is 2 and y is -2. Okay, x is 2 and y is -2. You need to go down. This one is a part and I'm writing B here. Okay, and the next one is -2 and 2. -2 and 2 here. So I'm writing here it's C. Okay, now join them, right? Mm, okay, sorry. Very carefully join it. Okay, right. Now the meeting point here. Can you see a meeting point when these two lines intersect at a point? That is called your intersecting point, right? So here, can you notice this? 1 minute. Let me take green color. Okay, see this point. This point is the meeting point. So this one is like from x side is the x is equals to 2.6, right? And let me check and let's check the y value. So y value here, it's little bit, it's not on 3. Can you see that? This is not on 3. It's somewhere like 2.7 or something, like it's not 3. It's just it's before -3 here, right? So you can say that this is a negative 2.8 or something, 2.7 or something. 2.7 or 2.8, right? When you people will draw this on your graph book, na, it will give you the correct, accurate answer, right? So I hope that students, you people understood this graphical method. It is very easy. Do practice, right? And focus on the integer part, right? Because the method is same in all the questions. Thank you. And if you have any query, any question, ask me in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. It will help you in your exams. Thank you. Bye-bye.